Today we're going to learn how to make a homemade cheese pizza, and then we will start with the ingredients. Half and half, 110 degrees, warm water of 110 degrees, 43 degrees Celsius, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and you begin to stir it. That is the processing we are doing now. Take a look at it. And then all-purpose flour 2 cups, and then cornstarch 1/8 cup, sugar 1/4 teaspoon, and then baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. You add it to a salt 3/4 teaspoon, dry yeast, see all this. Going to mix them together, the starch and the flour. Then you add slowly the half and half water, oil, and the mixture. Then make about 5 minutes. And cleanse the oil it. As you're gonna put the thing. So this is the mixture of the flour and the starch. See it? Yeah. We are getting on. So the room temperature for an hour. We leave it there for about 1 hour in the room temperature. Then can this tomato drained. That's what we're going to use to decorate it. Reserve juice liquid. You pour it into the tomatoes and you blend them together. So it's time to fry the olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon, tomato paste, then garlic clove, dried oregano, red pepper flakes, as well as again stir it while it's on fire. Then pause all the tomatoes. Steam this for 10 minutes. Yeah, this is fresh mozzarella. 1 cup of it is not gonna use. Cheese, Parmesan cheese. Grate it. When you use them, yeah, half and half, 1/8 cup of water. Use it and to mix it. And this is the tomato paste which we've boiled for about 15 minutes. We add a little bit of salt. And here comes the flour. For about an hour. Open it. Yes. Then later we'll flatten it. The chopping board, yeah, you put some small flour so that it will not stick to the board. Put it there and begin to flatten it, you know. Yeah, break it flat. Yes, you are making progress. You are making progress. So we start to add the tomatoes paste, which we just taken from the fire. Leave butter around the edges. That's it. It's well dressed. See how it looks like. Alright. By 500 degrees Celsius, by 15 minutes time, put it in the oven. This is the end of it. Wow. It's now time to cut it and enjoy it. Yeah. And this is how to make a homemade cheese pizza. And it's time to enjoy. Yes. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week I do upload videos on how to make money online, weight loss, health related videos, and so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next. Bye.